The frame tool allows you to draw placeholder frames that you can fill with images. Select the rectangular or elliptical frame icon in the options bar. Draw a frame on the canvas and place your image inside this frame. The perspective crop tool lets you transform the perspective of an image while cropping it. It is useful when you have an image with some sort of distortion. When we photograph a subject on an angle, we get what's called as keystone distortion. To fix the perspective and crop the image at the same time, we can use Photoshop's perspective crop tool. You have to drag and select the portion of the image using the perspective crop tool and then adjust the angle and press enter in the keyboard to apply the cropping effect. In the filter menu, you will find the Liquify filter. This filter lets you push, pull, rotate, reflect, pucker, and bloat any area of an image. The distortions you create can be subtle or drastic, which makes the Liquify command a powerful tool for retouching your images and also to create artistic effects. The forward wrap tool in Liquify filter pushes the pixels of an image forward as you drag. To control the pixels you push, you can adjust the brush size. The twirl clockwise tool rotates the pixels clockwise. To rotate pixels clockwise, click and drag on the image. When you want to twirl the pixels counterclockwise, simply hold down the Alt key and then drag on the image. The pucker tool moves the pixels toward the center of the brush area. To move the pixels toward the center, drag on the image. The bloat tool moves the pixels away from the center of the brush area. To move the pixels away from the center, drag on the image using the bloat tool. With the push left tool, you can move the pixels to the left or right depending on your actions. If you drag the tool up, it moves the pixels to the left. Now I'm going to use quick selection tool to select this small girl's image here. I'm going to select and mask by clicking on this select and mask button in the options bar. I'm going to select the overlay type so that I can use this refine brush tool around my selection to create a better selection. After selecting, I will place this image of the girl with the help of the move tool on the second image of this waterfall. I am going to erase some portions of the legs covered in water. Note that I have reduced the opacity of the eraser tool. Now I am going to apply filter and liquify on this image of water like this.